Hi, today we're not traveling but we're staying home and I'm going to share with you my retirement house. So this is going to be a two-part video. The first part would be how we constructed this house, and part two would be our house tour of our retirement house. So join me as I take you on a tour of this beautiful house that I built as a gift to my mother. So it's called Casa Iluminada. So tara, join me. Well, I started thinking about this house at the start of the pandemic. I have nothing to do. I finally got a time to stay here in the farm in Cavite. So when I was walking around, I was looking at the area. It looks like a beautiful place to build a retirement house. So I asked my nephew, Lawrence, to create a design. I want something that is very airy, no walls as much as possible, and a place where I can put all my travel collections from antiques to souvenir items and a lot of stuff that I accumulated during my more than 30 or 40 years of travel. So this is going to be a house where I can relax, I can rest in between travels, I can write, I can do all my hobbies. We used to have a very beautiful tree house. It's made of bamboo and nipa hut. It was a nice place to relax, enjoy, and watch the sunset. But it was built in between two huge mango trees. But as the mango trees started growing, it started to damage the flooring, the stairs, and everything. So the house, the tree house, although it's still existing, it's now fully deteriorated. So I'm going to show you some of the videos of the house. So this is the tree house. Ito na yung status ng ating tree house. Nasira na siya dahil tumaas yung mga puno. So tinulak yung mga sahig at saka mga hagdan at saka lahat ng mga parts niya. So we started construction of the house around July of 2021. It was raining at that time, so it was very difficult really to build the house because it's going to be built on a very muddy area around the farm. But it's very beautiful because it's going to be in the middle of so many trees. So this is how it looked like when we started building the house. Ito na yung ating bagong rest house project. So inumpisa na. So very soon dito tayo tatambay. So ito lang siya, open malaking silong at meron second floor. So very soon makikita natin to. So yun ang hukay. Hi, ngayon ay August 8, 2021. Papakita natin yung progress ng ating rest house project. Ito yung magiging daanan galing sa main house. So dito tayo papasok. Medyo nakatayo na yung mga poste. So magiging mataas ang ating ceiling dito sa first floor na walang wall. Puro lang siya poste. Hello, ito yung progress natin ngayong August 22. So ito na yan. So ito na yung hukay at yung magiging ating dirty kitchen sa labas kung may barbecue tsaka lababo. Ito yung poso negro at medyo napatag na itong gagawing flooring. Yan. Ito yung magiging kabuuan ng ating silong at kinakabit na rin yung bakal para sa paggawa ng second floor. Ang update ngayong October 3, 2021. So, naano na yung second floor. Simentohan na. Subukan natin makiat. So, yan. Tayo sa second floor. Ayan na, second floor. So, yung ating first floor, yung ating second floor. Number 17, progress. So ito na yung tulay natin. So gawa na siya. Ito yung ginawa last weekend. At tinanggal na rin yung mga tukod, yung karamihan ibang tukod. So makakapasok na tayo sa loob. Ito yung magiging ating living room. At sama ko mga doggies, si Ponky at si Sharon. So ginagawa na rin yung hagdan papunta sa second floor. So ito yung hagdan papunta sa second floor. Ito yung bathroom sa baba. Yung poso negro, medyo may tubig pa. And then ginagawa na rin ang ating outside dirty kitchen. May lababo na dyan at may siyempre may ihawan tayo para may barbecue. So naputo na rin yung mga puno, yung mga sanga ng puno. So wala na masyadong tatama dito. So So that's it. So, nandito na tayo sa ating rest house. At until the next update. October 21 video. So, ito na yung progress. Kaya ako gustong pakita ngayon. Tanggal na yung mga tukod. And then, ipapakita na natin yung pag-akyat sa second floor. May second floor na. So, ito tayo dito. At yan. Nauna si Frankie. So, ito na yung ating second floor. Dito yung banyo. At yan, medyo malawak. Dito yung magiging living room na maliit. At syempre view deck na maganda. Halos open siya. At dito yung mga rooms. So ang ganda na. At ito magiging view si Sharon. Update October 21. So tanggal na yung mga tukod at saka yung talaga dun sa simento. Yan, maganda na ang ating mga room. At nakabit na rin ang ilaw. So maganda na yung ating hagdan. At yan, inumpisahan na rin yung kitchen. Dito yung lababo, refrigerator. At dito natin ilalagay ang lutuan. Hagdan. At nasimento na rin yung mga poste. Yan. So yung mga poste, halos kumpleto na. At sa kabilang side naman, nandito ang puno ng lupas. So yun din natin. So sa kabilang side, nandyan kapitbahay natin. So again, maging maliwatch to. At Frankie! Nice to Frankie. Yan. So until the next update. See you soon. Ito ang progress natin. November 6. November 6. Progress 2021. So ito na, medyo naayos na rin. Ito yung banyo. Sarado na siya. Ito yung kitchen. August, November 3. Progress November 3. So meron na tayong Poso Negro. Papalit na sa taas. Then ito yung bathroom. Medyo napakinis na. Ginagawa na. Yun yung upuan. So nandito na tayo na takpan na ang Poso Negro. Ito na siya. And then konektado na siya dito sa ating dirty kitchen. Gawa na rin dito yung upuan. Tapos na yung mga poste natin. Kapit natin matapos. Konti na lang. November 29 progress. So, unti-unti na napalatagaan ito. Ito yung TikTok. And then, ito yung CR. Unti-unti na rin ginagawa. Meron na tayong urinal, pag-usbal, at nilagay na ng tiles, at nag-shower na. Ayusin pa yan. February 5, 2022 progress. Ito na yung bahay natin. So, nakulong na yung mga kwarto. Ito na yung kwarto, master bedroom. So, yun siya. Nakulong na siya. And then, ito yung guest room. Palatagahan na rin siya. Progress, February 27, 2022. So, pinapalalagahan na itong site natin. Yan. Progress, unti-unti na ginagawa, natatapos. At inaayos na rin yung kisa sa bubong. March 5, 2022. So ito yung progress ng ating bahay. Yan na. Nagawa na yung souvenir at napalatadahan natin portion na ito. Putol na rin ibang portion nito. So, at meron na rin tayong lalagyan ng bintana. Ito yung gagamitin mga bintana. At ayos na rin ang lababo. Ito na siya. Ganyan, simple lang siya. So, umaakit tayo papunta sa second floor. So, ayos na rin yan. Napalatadaan ng halos lahat. Ayos na yan. So, yan, yung kwarto. Yung isa mo na rin, lalagyan ng toilet. At ito yung paborito ko. Ito yung magiging view ng ating kwarto. So, ganyan niya. Hi, it's March 17, so update tayo. May gabi na yung mga campus so, marami tayong tawag. So, yun hello. Furniture. Finishing touches. Hello, almost last day na natin. Natapos na. Finishing touches na lang. Nagagawa na lang ng mga bago. Tinatapos na nila mga furniture. And then we're ready to move in. So, sa next vlog, makikita nyo ang ating house tour ng ating rest house. So that's it. That's our how we built my retirement house. So it took a while for it to be finally completed as from July 2021 to end of March 2022. So there's so many challenges because we have to look for unique materials. We even have to go as far as Nueva Ecija to look for Capiz windows, and we were able to convert the Poland santol tree into a bed frame and headboard for the bed. Some of the items came from friends, so which I'm going to acknowledge in my next video. A lot of antique furniture has to be brought in, and it was challenging, but it was fun. So please watch my next vlog as I take you on a tour of Casa Iluminada. So Thank you very much for watching. Travel if you can, but if you cannot travel at this time, do take time to take a rest and enjoy things that are simple things in life, like beautiful sunset, trees, winds, and everything. So thank you for watching. Until the next vlog, stay safe.